Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to remember in, on and at in a very easy and brain-friendly way. Follow me. In is connected with years. That's why we say in 2017, in 2018, in 1971, in 1826, and so on and so forth. Years are divided into seasons. That's why we say in autumn, in spring, in summer, and in winter. Years are divided also into months. That's why we say in May, in April, in September, in November, and so on and so forth. We have also time of the day. That's why we say in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So remember, in with years, with seasons, with months, and with time of a day. Let's move on to on. On is connected with days. That's why we use on when we talk about special days, like on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. Another special day is wedding anniversary. That's why we say on wedding anniversary. On is connected also with dates. Why? Because in a date you have a day. That's why you say on the 9th of April 2018. And what will you do if you see something like this? Friday and evening. What to do? Very easy thing. On connected with day. You have a day here. That's why you say on Friday evening. Friday is here the most important thing. Let's move on to at. At is connected with time. And if time, that's why we say at noon and at midnight. Why? Because noon is 12. It's the time. Midnight is also 12, but it's 12 a.m. at night, right? Okay. We use at when we want to say at night. This is time of sleeping and relaxing and recuperating. But we also say at dawn, because this is time of waking up, getting ready for work, and all the activities you do in the morning. Now, we use also at with time of our meals. That's why we say at lunch time. We have the word time. This is really important. Okay, then we say at the weekend. At the weekend. Why? Because it's time for relaxing, watching TV, maybe meditating a little bit, or doing all the activities you do in your free time. And now, something that we love. It's Christmas. We say at Christmas because it's special time. It's time of gifts. It's time of family gatherings. Really important time for us at Christmas. We also have something like Easter. And it's also time of family gatherings. That's why we say at Easter. That's it for today. I hope you liked my video. In the description under the video, you will see some links to online and PDF exercises. Please download the exercises and enjoy learning English. Bye bye!